Realme has quickly become a force to be reckoned with in the smartphone world. In just a few short years they've managed to carve out a significant niche for themselves, standing tall among more established brands. They're known for packing in premium features without the premium price tag. This approach has resonated well with consumers who are looking for high-quality devices that don't break the bank. Their phones consistently deliver a great user experience. From smooth performance to impressive camera capabilities, Realme devices have garnered positive reviews from users and tech critics alike. Now Realme is raising the bar for mobile gaming with the release of the Realme P3 Ultra 5G and the Realme P3. These new models are designed to cater to the growing demand for high-performance gaming on mobile devices. These phones promise to deliver a gaming experience unlike any other in their class. With advanced cooling systems and optimized software, gamers can enjoy extended play sessions without any hiccups. They're packed with powerful processors, stunning displays, and long-lasting batteries. The combination of these features ensures that users get the best possible performance whether they're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Get ready to experience next-level gaming on the go. With Realme's latest offerings, the future of mobile gaming looks brighter than ever. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, these devices are sure to impress. Let's dive into the heart of these gaming beasts. Today, we're going to explore what makes these smartphones the ultimate choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. The Realme P3 Ultra 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultra chipset. This powerhouse of a chipset is designed to deliver top-notch performance, ensuring that your gaming experience is nothing short of spectacular. This chipset is built for speed and efficiency, making it perfect for demanding games. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or engaging in intense multiplayer battles, the Dimensity 8350 Ultra has got you covered. You'll experience smooth gameplay and lightning-fast performance. The graphics are rendered beautifully, and the response time is impeccable, making every move count. The Realme P3, on the other hand, boasts the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset. This chipset is renowned for its robust performance and reliability. This processor is no slouch either. It's engineered to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, ensuring that you can switch between apps without any lag or delay. It's designed to handle multitasking and gaming with ease. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or playing high-performance games, the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 delivers a seamless experience. You can expect a smooth and responsive experience, even when pushing the phone to its limits. Both these chipsets ensure that your smartphone remains a reliable companion for all your gaming and multitasking needs. Both phones are engineered with gaming in mind. They feature advanced cooling systems to prevent overheating during long gaming sessions. This means you can game for hours without worrying about performance throttling or lag. The displays on these phones are also optimized for gaming. The P3 Ultra 5G likely boasts an AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate, providing buttery smooth visuals and vibrant colors. The P3 might opt for an LCD panel, which still offers a great visual experience for gamers. The Realme P3 Ultra 5G and P3 are poised to shake up the mid-range smartphone market. These devices are designed to offer an unparalleled blend of value and performance, making them stand out in a crowded field. With sleek designs and cutting-edge technology, they are set to redefine what consumers can expect from mid-range smartphones. They offer flagship-level features at a fraction of the cost. Imagine getting the same high-end specs and capabilities that you would find in much more expensive models, but without breaking the bank. This is what makes the Realme P3 series so revolutionary. These phones are perfect for budget-conscious gamers who don't want to compromise on performance. Whether you're into high-speed racing games or immersive RPGs, the Realme P3 series has got you covered. The powerful hardware ensures smooth gameplay, while the affordable price makes it accessible to a wider audience. Realme has a history of delivering incredible value, and the P3 series is no exception. Over the years, Realme has built a reputation for offering high-quality smartphones at competitive prices, and the P3 series continues this tradition. It's a testament to Realme's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. The combination of powerful processors, stunning displays, and long-lasting batteries makes these phones a compelling choice for any mobile gamer. The Realme P3 series is equipped with the latest processors that can handle even the most demanding games. The vibrant displays provide an immersive visual experience, and the long-lasting batteries ensure you can game for hours without interruption. Keep an eye out for these gaming powerhouses. They are not just about performance, they also offer a premium unboxing experience that adds to the excitement. From the moment you open the box, you'll know you're in for something special. They're about to change the game. With their advanced features and affordable pricing, the Realme P3 Ultra 5G and P3 are set to become the new benchmarks in the mid-range smartphone market. Get ready to experience mobile gaming like never before.